Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how Russia's government works. Russia operates as a semi-presidential republic, meaning it combines elements of both presidential and parliamentary systems. The president holds substantial power as the head of state, while the prime minister leads the government. This structure aims to balance executive authority with legislative oversight, though the president's role is often seen as dominant in practice. We'll explore these roles in more detail. The President of Russia wields extensive powers. They are responsible for appointing the Prime Minister and other key government officials, though the State Duma must approve the Prime Minister. The President can also issue decrees that carry the weight of law, shaping national policy. Furthermore, they serve as the supreme commander of the armed forces and possess the authority to dissolve the State Duma under specific circumstances, highlighting their central role. Russia's legislative branch, the Federal Assembly, is bicameral. It comprises the State Duma, which has 450 deputies and is responsible for passing federal laws and approving the budget, and the Federation Council. The judicial system is structured with the Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court, and a network of lower courts designed to interpret laws and ensure justice. These bodies provide checks on executive power, though their independence can vary. Despite the formal separation of powers, the president's influence often significantly outweighs that of the legislative and judicial branches, leading to a strong executive. Russia is also divided into 89 federal subjects, each possessing its own regional government structures and varying degrees of autonomy. This complex system aims to manage a vast and diverse nation. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.